Let's delve into how to approve invoices in Docyt. When you upload your invoice in Docyt, it first goes through an automated reading process, where the system captures all the important information like the vendor name, invoice number, chart of accounts, and amount. Once that's complete, you can take a moment to verify the invoice. Double-check the critical information from the invoice to make sure everything is accurate before verifying and proceeding for approval. There are two ways to approve an invoice in Docyt. Either click on the drop-down next to the amount and select Approve, or click on the invoice and scroll to the bottom right corner and approve there. You'll see the status changed from Needs Approval to Ready to Pay. If you're unable to approve an invoice, certain approval conditions may apply. These settings can be viewed or updated in the Approval and Audit Controls. To access Approval and Audit Controls, click Expense from the menu, then Bill Pay, and select Approval and Audit Controls. You can also find it from the left sidebar for quick access. Here you can see who can approve invoices and under what conditions. There are two sections: Default Approval Rules and Advanced Approval Rules. Default approval rules apply to all invoices by default. Each business can assign one or more default approvers. You can also decide whether any approver or all approvers must approve before an invoice moves to payment. Advanced approval rules are conditional. You can create one by clicking Add Advanced Rule and setting conditions based on transaction amount, vendor, or department. Once you set a condition, set the values. Docyt automatically routes it to the assigned approvers. And that's how you approve invoices in Docyt. Once approved, your invoice is ready for payment.